Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you different ways you can take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The different ways I'm going to share in this video you can follow on Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. If this is the first time and you find value in this video, don't forget, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's dive into it. To take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, what we have to do is press the power button here and the volume down at the same time. So let's do that. I'm gonna press here the power button and then the volume down at the same time. As you can see, it takes the screenshot, and right here below you can see the screenshot toolbar. Let's take again a screenshot. Down here you have this toolbar, and right here if you tap there you have the option to resize the screenshot or crop it. In this case, let's crop it. I'm gonna tap here to go back. As you notice, you have more options. I had there a line. If you tap there, you have the option to write. And right here, you have the option to erase. If you want to erase it, you have the option to go back. Tap there, you'll go back. But you also have the option to resize it, as what I wanted to show you before. You can resize it. Also from the top. Then if you're okay with that, tap here on this download icon and it will save your screenshot in the screenshot folder, which you can see in the gallery app. If we go to the gallery, mine is right here. I'm gonna tap there. You can see here the screenshot that we just took it. The other way you have to take a screenshot is by positioning your palm at the top of your device and swipe it from the right to the left or from the left to the right. If this does not work for you, what you have to do is to enable this feature. To enable this feature, let's go to the settings. Tap on settings. Let's scroll down until we find advanced features. Right here. Tap there. Inside advanced feature, let's scroll down until we find motions and gestures. Right here, where we have motions and gestures. Tap there. Inside motions, let's scroll down. Right here at the bottom you have palm swipe to capture. In your case, if you have this option off like this, tap there to enable this feature. This way, if you use your palm, you will be able to take a screenshot. There's also another way to take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it is by using the Edge panel feature. On the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you will see that you have this Edge feature here, and you can access this by tapping on this very small sidebar here and swipe it to the right, and you have access to these applications. If you swipe again, you will have access to quick tasks, and one of the tasks that you have here is take a screenshot. If you tap there, it will take a screenshot. Most of the time, that Task Edge sidebar is not enabled. To enable that, what you have to do is go to the settings, tap on settings, then scroll down until you find display right here, where we have display. Tap there, and then inside display, let's scroll down until we find Edge panels right here. In this case, you can see that my Edge panel is enabled. Tap here on Edge panel. Inside Edge panel, right here you have panels, and you can see I have apps and tasks. Let's tap here. You can see here I have apps selected and I also have tasks selected. In your case, you might have this one disabled. If we try to access the Edge panels, you will see that I no longer have access to the tasks. If we swipe one time, you will see that I have access to these apps. If I try to swipe it again, I don't have access to the tasks. If I enable it and try it again, I have access to these apps, and if I swipe it again, I have access to the quick tasks. Now, if I want to take a screenshot, I can do this. Tap on take a screenshot, and it will take a screenshot. Now, I would like to show you a very cool feature that you have inside the screenshot. If you go to a web page, for example this one here, and you would like to take a screenshot of the entire page, what you can do is tap on screenshot. Let's use this sidebar, take screenshot, and right here you have this icon here, and if you tap on that icon it will scroll and take a picture. If you tap again, it will scroll again and take a picture until you reach the end of the page. Once it is done, it will save your screenshot inside the screenshot folder, which you can see in the gallery. If we go to the gallery, you can see the screenshot of the entire web page. Well everyone, these are the different ways you can take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can follow the steps on Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. If this video was helpful, don't forget, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.